Human evolution is all about technological innovation. Technology that connects people and moves the world. Technology that makes planes flying and sound spreading. Technology that only exists because some explorers imagine what's next. They think, they create, they innovate, making the world smarter every day. We are by their side to make it happen. We allow them to explore without limits, inspiring and confirming their looking forward projects. We empower their creativity, providing a tailored, scalable, and modular platform approach that allows new features in energy-efficient products, reducing environmental impact. We bring technology in the hands of billions of people every day, using products and devices powered by highly performing microelectronic circuits. Those who work, talk, travel, listen, watch, and live, because technological innovation is all about human evolutions.